Hey, I'm Louis. So I'm going to show you how you can create an AI that synchronize all your meetings from any sources into Notion automatically without doing anything. So here you see I have my meeting summary. So you first need to go to internal integrations in Notion and create an integration. So I have this. You need to copy this secret, and then we are going to use Screenpipe. Screenpipe is an AI powered by everything you've seen, said, or heard. And so it can create automations based on everything you've seen, said, or heard. And here I'm going to ask, can you look at my unsure data meeting yesterday at just doing 10 sounds. Then I am and once you so now you can just give like your access token GPT and on the Notion page URL to AI and ask can you now make a bike that synchronize my meetings, meeting summaries every hour. It will look at the last hour of audio data, and if there are any complete meeting, it will create a page in Notion. It should make sure that it shouldn't do it if it's still in the middle of a meeting. So do not add the page if it's in the middle of a meeting, but create a summary page for each meeting with action items, and it will run every hour. And so now you just ask AI to create this automation that will run every hour to synchronize your meetings. So here it's created, and I'm going to go here, and it's, as you can see here, it's instructions to with like access to the Notion and how to add like the you can edit this instruction if you want, and you can also turn on this, so it will make AI have memory of all your meetings sequence, so it can discover like insights over time of all these meetings throughout your day, and you can configure which model you want to use. You can use Google, Gemini, OpenAI, ChatGPT, or any other thing, Llama, Quen, Haiku. I'm going to use GPT for this one. And you can change the schedule also. It could be every 30 minutes or every 3 hours or only at 6 p.m., for example. And you can test run here. That's it. Download Screenpipe today.